Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on a Hostgator hosting account. Now, I am currently in my Hostgator control panel, and Hostgator is a little bit different from GoDaddy in the sense that instead of going to GoDaddy.com and then logging into my account and then, setting it up from there, when you sign up for a hosting account on HostGator, it actually provides you a very special link to go directly to your control panel. So I go directly to this HostGator control panel when I'm ready to make any changes to my hosting account or add any services or any features, which is kind of cool. And there's a lot of hosting sites that do this. They just take you directly to a control panel. And the cool thing about the control panel setup is that a lot of these look exactly the same. So like if you log into something like Bluehost, I think there's another site that does this as well. The name escapes me right now, but any site that has a typical control panel type feel, you'll notice that they all look very similar. Like they have things in certain places, and so that makes it easy to navigate. So when you're dealing with more than one hosting account, you'll find some familiarity there. So I am now in my HostGator control panel, which is awesome. So if I want to install WordPress, I can go down to the bottom and head to software and services. Now, as you see, you don't see WordPress listed here. For a lot of these sites, they don't have WordPress just kind of called out as an icon. You have to go into something like Quick Install, which is where I'm going to head to find other software that you can install. And as you see, on the left side here, I see WordPress. So I'm going to click on that, and it tells me all about what WordPress is and does, and click Continue. So when I click Continue, I will see where I can install WordPress. So my default that's there, I already have WordPress installed. So I created this training site to install WordPress on as a test. So if I want to install WordPress and I just want it to be in as training.juliadiamondpoetry.com, I'll just select that domain, and then I'm done with that part of it. Enable auto upgrades. That means that the host itself will upgrade WordPress for you. I am of the mind that I would rather handle my own upgrades, so I will uncheck that. Now this is where you complete your admin email, your blog title, your user account, and your first name and last name and all that good stuff. Now in this case, they're going to put my Jessica, check this girl email in here, training site. And then I'm going to create an admin user account. I'm going to call it something like training 2013 or something like that. When you create your admin user account, just do not call it admin. Admin is just, it's kind of just one of those little simple tricks you can do to make your site a little bit more secure. Hackers know that when people install WordPress, typically there is an admin account installed. So if you don't have an admin account installed and you create something a little bit different as your username, you're already one step ahead of them. And when they try to, hack your site, if they do. So I'm just going to call it Training 2013, just something that I need to remember, and I'm going to click Install Now. So it is going to go ahead and install my site. It's going to take a couple minutes, and as you see, you can see the progress bar here as it goes. Okay, that was actually shorter than a couple of minutes, but you get my idea here. So actually it says, hey, congratulations, you're all set up. You can access it by going here. You can also, and this is also how you can access it. This is the URL that you'll need to access your site. This is the username that I set, and they actually assigned a password for me, which is awesome. So now I'm all set. I can head to this site right now, which I'll just do really fast. And WordPress is installed, and I actually have some pre-filled usernames and passwords here. That's because it's an old site, but if I wanted to, I can go ahead and log in and get into my dashboard and all that good stuff. But when you get this, make sure you write down that password so you'll be able to get into your site. And but it's probably also going to send you an email saying, hey, This is how you log into your site. This is your username and password, and you're good to go. So this is how to install WordPress on Hostgator.